Do you want to make your videos more informative and engaging? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add text in CapCut Mobile. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. Step number 1. Open CapCut Mobile and create a new project or select an existing one. Import your photos or videos and arrange them on the timeline before adding any text. The second step is to tap the text button below. Now, press the Add Text. Type the words or title you want to display and tap the check mark to add it to your project. A new text layer will appear on the timeline. Tap the text layer to edit its appearance. Tap the font and explore different font styles. Choose what you like. You can also tap styles to change color, size, or style. If you wanted, you can also tap the effects and select the effect that you want. To make your text more dynamic, tap animation and choose an entrance, exit, or looping effect. Then adjust the length of the text layer on its timeline. You can also drag the text anywhere on the preview screen and resize it using 2 fingers for the perfect placement. And there you have it! That's how you add text in CapCut Mobile. Thanks for watching and happy editing! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you!